Okay,
Yaling nào tu volunteer
let's get started for our share. Okay.
Everyone, this is Group 8 for ewsd Enterprise Web Development Software class, and we will be presenting our project, which is the Idea Forum project. We named this ThinkSpace, and you can access this website via thinkspace.jsondev.rocks, pardon for the domain name. So, our website is properly hosted. Both front-end and our back-end is hosted on AWS Cloud, and everything is accessible via online. And we will also we'll also share the credentials and credentials that you can use to access the website in our documentation, of course. So let's get started. First, we have 4 rules essentially, right? QE manager, QE coordinator, staff, and lastly super admin. So this recapture is an additional feature that we have implemented as we got a little bit of extra time. So this is for extra security measure, of course. First of all, you can see that the success notification that you are successfully logged in, and also this alert that will show when you last logged into the forum. So I just logged in recently, so you can see it. But for the first time login, you will see that you are logging in first time here. And one of the QA manager responsibilities is that he can create categories. So I've already created a demo category here, but for demonstration purposes, let's just create another one. And you can see that the category is created. These categories will be used when someone posts ideas. They can associate these categories. We have also created default categories that the staffs can use, of course. Another responsibility for QA manager is he or she can check the current closure, when the closure started and when is the closure final date, and if it is active or not. QA manager, he or she cannot edit it, but that's the responsibility of QA coordinator. So we will show this function later when we demonstrate QA coordinator. And of course, the main role of QA manager is to oversee how each departments are doing and how much they are posting their ideas here. So you can actually see the number of ideas for each departments here, and also you can also see the most active users by ideas submitted. And lastly, QA manager can download these submitted ideas for each closure here as Excel meaning CSV file. I'll show you here. So you can see the title of the ideas as well as the content here, as well as the categories with which they are associated, and the views count, comments, and written by whom, etc., and created and updated date lastly. You can also download documents as zip file here. What this is trying to achieve is it will try to download the documents that the ideas associated. Here we have several ideas, but only 2 of the ideas are associated with a document. So you can see this is for demo purposes. So I've added cat pictures here. That's the primary function of the QA manager. So let's move on to QA coordinator next. Of course, I've already logged into QA coordinator as well, so you were seeing the last login time here. And QA coordinator can update or add new closures here. So currently this closure is active, right? So it will final date is 20 May. So, and if you try to add a new closure here, You can do that because only one closure must be active at a time. This is the assumption that we try to took. So yeah, as long as this closure is active, you can really add a new closure, and all the ideas posted during this specific period will be associated to this specific closure. Neither can do anything that any staff member can do, such as maybe like or like, as well as comments. I will show the idea interaction later in staff demonstration. He or she can also see the ideas, contributions, etc. So yeah, this is QA coordinator. So let's move on to staff next. Staff is also logged in, so you will see the last login time here. And for staff, you can obviously see that they don't have much access except the idea screen, where they can see the ideas from other users of numerous departments here. So he or she can also like contribute to like or and they can also comments. So let's comment here. This is Demi comment, and you can see the username of the poster here. And so as you can see, our user just tried to comment as anonymous here. So yeah, and you can also see the documents the idea is associated with. This is the document. So let's try to create our own idea here. So you can see the terms and conditions here, and now you will see that we just submitted our own idea here. So, and you can also see the winter submission, the name of the closure here. So you can also like or like yourself, comment yourself, and also report if you find any disturbing content here. You can see that this is from equity and inclusion department here, equity and inclusion category here, and you can also sort via department. For example, let's see all categories from medicine department, as well as human resources and such. And here you can see maybe newest to oldest or oldest to newest. So the ideas are reversed here, as well as most likes. This is most likes because there's only one like here. The rest don't have one, so most dislikes probably not. Yeah, and most views of course. So you can see that this idea got one view, and the rest didn't have any. So yep, you can also check the no comments idea and maybe post a comment here. So this is the capability of staff. So let's move on to super admin next. So super admin is logged in, and you can see the last login time here. So what super admin essentially can do is you can do pretty much everything, like adding users or modifying roles. So that's the primary responsibility of the super admin here. So and so dummy stuff with this email is created. So yeah, and we can also like modify the permissions that we try to give to each role. For super admin, you can see that it got pretty much every permission already ticked, so he can do anything he want here. But you can see that for QA manager, for example, it only has read access to closure and report, read, role read, user read. So basically QA coordinator and QA manager can manage users at the moment, but we can do so adding the specific permissions here. So yeah, but for now let's just leave it as is. And of course super admin can also post ideas and maybe comment on idea. So for example here, so yeah, super admin can do anything. Its primary responsibility is to add users, of course. So I created this user with specific email because I want to show the email notification feature. So here, this is newly created user, so you can see that this is our first time logging in this account. And of course, since it is stuff, so you can only see idea post screen and ideas here. So we are showing by newest to oldest. So let's try to create our own. So we should be able to see our idea here. So let's comment on this idea with a different user. So yep, you can see the idea that we just posted. So let's like this idea and comment on this idea. So Megamind just wrote what a brilliant idea, I support this comment. So yep, so and of course we also send our new users the welcome email here. So as you can see, hello dummy stuff, this is a user we just created, and first time logging in, blah blah, sincerely, ThinkSpace. And here you can also see that a new comment has been added to your idea. So this is the comment by home. Feel free to view the comments. So that's pretty much it. For the report, as you can see here, this is the our report, group 8, and group members are listed. And for the TOC, from the TOC you can see the artifacts and the assumptions we try to make, and the user stories, and of course site designs and functionality, and lastly test cases. So you can check all our proceedings here in the report. And for the artifacts, we'll also try to add the recent website that we just demonstrated, and of course along with the credentials that you can access. So yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you for viewing. Bye.
Good job, everyone.